In this simple video, you will learn how to watch all of Bitcoin news from around the place in a single page and summarize it and even chat with it. Who the hell is Jerome Powell? Is the chair of the Federal Reserve, yo. This is
TeachAMonkey AI.
Step 1. Type TeachAMonkey.com. There's only 2 buttons and this is the only one that works. Click on News. Step 2. It's a very simple single page. Every 10 minutes, the AI will fetch every single news to do with Bitcoin and post it here. Here you can see the time it just came in. Here is the source of it. This is the headline and this is the summary. You can see all the news in just one place. You don't have to go around and look all over the internet. You can just simply click on read more to go to the official website where it's coming from. Here is where it gets cool. If this is so complicated, just hit on explain this and go to monkey mode. And it will instantly tell you exactly the summary of what the hell is going on. Russia cannot ban Bitcoin because it has no central control. Russia is making new rules to allow and tax using Bitcoin. So in other words, this is good for Bitcoin. But this is not good enough. We are true monkeys. Imagine a group of friends, Russia, had a secret tree house, Bitcoin, that no parents, which are governments, could get into or control. The friends, Russia, decided to make some rules so they could use the treehouse safely and split the profit. Now, if this is too much, let's get into it. I can say chat with article and say, who is Putin? Does he like or hate Bitcoin? Putin acknowledged that banning Bitcoin is impossible. Oh, okay, so he is just playing along. It's like, if you can't beat them, join them. Yep, you got it. Putin realized Bitcoin can't be stopped. What are other details from the article? You see how this is so valuable? I can go down the rabbit hole and learn a lot of concept just from this actual article. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Don't have to go all over the internet. You're in one place. Have fun with it. Chat with it. It's all free. And please let me know if you have any ideas how we can expand this, how we can make it even cooler. Thank you. And this was TeachAMonkey.